Are you pondering over the question, how do you introduce yourself in a job interview? Well, that introduction may seem insignificant, but it carries substantial weight. It sets the tone for the entire interview and provides the perfect platform to showcase your confidence, preparedness, and readiness for the job. So let's dissect this into manageable steps. Before the interview, ensure to arrive early, ideally 15 to 20 minutes before the scheduled time. This demonstrates seriousness and preparedness. It also affords you some time to relax and review your notes. Dress neatly. No need for extravagant attire. Just ensure you look clean, tidy, and professional. Be polite and friendly. Smile, maintain eye contact, and say, "Hi, I'm here for the interview. Thanks for having me." Wait for the invitation to sit. These small gestures exhibit respect and confidence. When asked, "Tell me about yourself," here's a simple 4-part strategy to employ. First, mention a few skills that align with the job. Second, talk briefly about your work, educational, or training background. Third, share a significant achievement, something that you're proud of and made a difference. Lastly, describe your personality and how it will be beneficial in this job. Here are 10 easy steps for a stellar self-introduction. Start by greeting them warmly. Show gratitude for the opportunity. Clearly and confidently state your full name. If you have work experience, talk about it. If you're a fresher, share your education. Add any extra skills or short courses you've undertaken. Describe yourself in 2 to 3 words. Optionally, you can add a hobby or mention your family if it demonstrates a relevant skill. Conclude by stating why you want the job and end with, "That's all from me. Thank you." Some final tips to bear in mind. Keep it concise, ideally around a minute. Don't memorize your script. Instead, speak naturally. Maintain eye contact and smile. Be confident and exhibit genuine interest in the job. In conclusion, your introduction is your opportunity to showcase your personality, not just what's listed on your resume. You don't need to use big words or craft perfect answers. What's important is to sound genuine, confident, and ready to contribute to the team. Employers are on the lookout for someone they can trust, someone who learns quickly and works well with others. So remain calm, be clear, and be yourself. That's the best way to make a great first impression and inch closer to landing the job.